Welcome to HTN Education. Don't forget to like, follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates and educational tips. Today we will solve this expression 21 multiplied 23. First number is 21, the second number is 23. Tens place digit 2, ones place digit 1. So draw two lines per 10 place and draw one line per 1 place. Second number 23, tens place digit is 2, so draw two lines, and ones place digit is 3, draw another 3 lines, 1, 2, 3. Count these points, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we can write this Now we can write this 3 at 1 place. Sum of 2 and 6 is equal to 8 at 10 place, and last digit is 4. So the correct answer is 483. If you like this video, share with friends, subscribe and follow HTN Education. Thank you.